How to fix Tinder Shadowban. So, basically a guide to attempt to fix this shadowban you have in your Tinder. So, basically, just in case, shadowban usually means your profile is effectively invisible to other users. You may still use the app, but you will get very few or zero new matches. And since Tinder doesn't label these bans publicly, they typically result from algorithmic enforcement after reported or detected policy violations. So, for the reasons on why you could be shadow banned, um, this is because of suddenly getting zero or near zero new matches despite swiping as before. These are signs, of course, that commonly point to a shadow ban. Paid features don't produce more matches, your messages aren't being seen or replied to by recent matches, or uh, basically community reported indicators with not actual official Tinder messages. So to try and fix this, of course, you're gonna have to confirm the problem. You could try asking a trusted person to search or swipe in your area to confirm whether your profile appears to others. Basically, some sort of way that will potentially help others find your account. If they were a stranger or a random, you can also try recent activity. So what kind of thing you did that could drop coincide with a report, flag content, or risky behavior. So community sources recommend this as a way to objectively check your visibility. You can also try appealing or contacting Tinder support, which is basically one of the official ways to fix yourself from a shadow ban. So just go ahead and try submitting a ticket via Tinder help or support explaining the issue. Include screenshots, dates, and ask for a review. You can use the submit a request option. Should be found directly inside your settings. Right here in the very bottom, you scroll down the contact us section. As you can see, there is help and support or report a problem. So you could submit dates, information. Basically, if you were actually banned or not shadow banned, you can ask for that, and Tinder will show a ban message. But you'll need to appeal per their instructions. There's also some soft fixes as well, like updating your profile photos and bio. Basically, try removing anything borderline, like solicitation, hate speech, or overt links to other platforms, anything that could potentially be making you shadow ban, which is again caused by things that go against their own policies. Other than the soft fixes, there is of course the hard reset. If those fail, you can proceed with this carefully, of course. So trying to evade a ban by repeatedly creating new accounts can violate Tinder's terms and lead to a permanent ban. So proceed only if you haven't been officially banned and you follow the legal or ethical tips. You can try deleting your Tinder account from inside the app, since deleting is the only way to remove that account record cleanly. Wait, since many guidelines mention that a 90-day data window Tinder retains, so some people wait 1 to 3 months for the systems to reset and create their own account. This will technically fix your shadow ban, but with the cost of course, having to create a new account. But that's pretty much most of the options you have currently to potentially help you with this problem. And if this video can help you, of course, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.